In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install the Brave browser on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But let's say you want Brave for any of the various features that it has. All you want to do is go over to another browser of choice, which in my instance, I'll be using Google Chrome, but it doesn't matter what you use. You can use Microsoft Edge if you want to as well. And then from here, all you want to do is type in Brave browser download or just Brave download, and then you're going to see Brave browser download as one of the options. Go ahead and click on it, and then it shows you everything that it has, some of the perks of it, and it says get Brave for Windows. So all I want to do is go ahead and click on that. It's then going to download the installer for Brave. So you might get a little pop-up, and then it's just going to say download complete, waiting to install, and then just go ahead and let it install, and then you're going to be able to open it up. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There is nothing else to it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.